Friends, it gives me immense pleasure to inform you that Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidhyalaya is going to establish Center of Excellence Nebulae Luminous powered by System Level Solution Limited Nagar in the area of IoT and its application. You all are aware that Team BVM works with a vision to produce globally employable, innovative engineers with the core values. We believe to expose our students beyond curriculum, to address the concept beyond classroom. So to take the benefit of the recent advances as per Industry 4.0 in the area of IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, robotics, AWS, and other developments in the field of engineering technology, we have decided to establish at least one center of excellence for each department during years to come. We have already established one center of excellence in civil engineering field, second in communication skill, and now we are going to establish this third center of excellence with the help of our industry partner SLS Limited, Vitthal Udyog Nagar, India. The aim of this particular center of excellence will be to have a joint certificate program in the area of IoT, its application for the students of BVM, for the students of Gujarat and India at large, and also for the working professional to enhance the skill in the respective areas. Our Prime Minister Modi have committed to make India New India by 2022. So as a part of national mission, as a part of BVM vision, it is of great honor to launch this Center of Excellence. I am hopeful that the students surrounding Birla Vishwakarma will take maximum advantage when IoT is a booming technology, whether it is civil engineering construction, manufacturing industries, electronics industries, automobile, wherever you go, there is application of Internet of Things. This is the right time to evoke a certificate program, short-term program, and further it will be taken as a long-term program in field of IoTs. The team of SLS as well as team of BVM at EC department, they are very eager to launch this program for the youth so that they can inculcate the true spirit of innovation as well as the developing technology. I wish this Center of Excellence a grand success, and may God bless all of us so that the objectives with which Charota Vidya Mandal works, the objective with which Team BVM works get fruitful from this particular Center of Excellence.